How do you post Reels on your Android phone? Let me talk about it. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. At first, we should distinguish between the Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels because they are both, called the same way because it's from the same company and it's like the same thing, but it's on a different platform. So at first on Facebook, the way that it works is that you open up the app and on the main page, you need to locate the plus button, which is for the creation process. And the whole point is that when you click on the plus, you don't choose anything else other than the reel specifically, right? So you can specifically decide that it's going to be a reel posted on Facebook. So that's how you can then upload the video from your gallery and perform some edits perhaps and upload it to the platform. But then on the Instagram, it works a bit different, not necessarily that different, but in there you can as well just click on the plus button like so. And there you basically select a video from your gallery. And you should know that the videos are automatically uploaded as Reels on Instagram. That's how it works. It's not like you can post a post, which is going to be a video, it's automatically going to be reel. So as long as you upload a video right here, it's going to be uploaded as a reel. So of course, select the video from your gallery, click on proceed and set up all of the things like the description and all of the things which you might be interested in, whatever. But just make sure you set it up the way that you want it, and then you can post it, and it's most definitely going to be a reel on Instagram. So I really hope that I can explain it well to you. Let me know what you think about it below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.